What is up, YouTube? It is your girl Nay Songs, and I'm back again with another video. Hello to my trophies. So what is up, ladies? I am back again with another video today, and today's video is basically about what to do if your Tinder date cancels on you. This is for my gold digging ladies, okay? These are for my sugar babies. Okay, these are for my trophies who are getting to the bag. This is not for regular dating. If you're out there just dating just to date, click off this video. But if you're here to secure the bag, then continue on. I don't really know how I'm going to title this video today, just for the simple fact that I'm trying to see how to make it like click worthy, you know, because a lot of my videos are like low in numbers, but they're really good videos. So I really want you guys to go check them out. The link is going to be in the bio for like dating strategies for women. I'm gonna link those in the description bar below. You guys click it, click it, click it. And yeah, let's go ahead and run up them views. And before I get started in today's video, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You already know the drill. Also, don't forget to give your girl a follow on Instagram at Nay Songs. You can also find me at Nay Songs on Twitter as well. At Twitter and Instagram, ladies. I know I have a video out right now, how to get a sugar daddy using Tinder fast, right? So I've had this issue with dates getting canceled on me. So I really wanted to make a video on what to do to make the cancellation profitable for you, right? So ladies, anytime you have a date set up with a potential sugar daddy, comes a time where one of them or two of them might cancel. I would say if you have 10 dates set up, I would say 4 or 5 may cancel. Like half of your dates might cancel. How to make a Tinder date profitable. These are people that you've never met before, right? These are people that never seen you, don't know what you look like from a can of paint, okay? They just seen your pictures on Tinder, made a date with you, and they canceled with you, okay? Right. So in order to make this profitable, oh my God, why can't I say that word? In order to make this profitable, you have to get mad. So let's start over from the beginning. To kind of minimize cancelized dates, after you set up a date, whatever, the same day you get their number or the night before your date, give them a call. Give them a call and try to fill them out before you actually meet them on the date. See what type of man they are. If they're like really slow to answer, if they're really shy, or if they're not talkative, those are not the type of dudes that you have to go off on. But dudes who have the personality trait of like really talkative, talk a lot, those are dudes that you may have to go off on. Now, the dudes who don't talk a lot, you can gain more if you give them the silent treatment while they're on the phone, while they're like, oh,
I really can't make it for our date today. My mom took a trip to Mars and I had to bring her to the space shuttle.
You're like, really? Sit there quiet. Let them talk. Let them talk. Let them talk. Okay? Let them talk. Let them see what they're gonna say. And like, if they don't say anything you want to hear though, stay tuned for what to do for the talkative guys. So the guys who are talkative, really big personalities, who are like extra, who want to make you laugh, if those dudes end up canceling on you, the really talkative, grade A personality or whatever personality, if those dudes cancel on you, then those are the dudes that you go off on. When they text you and they say that they're canceling on you, they're canceling the date, if they text you, text them back and say, are you serious? Really? I really made time for this. Why would you cancel on me last minute? This is really inconvenient. Child, they're going to reschedule that date. If you want a shopping spree, the first date, y'all, this is what you do. Now, once you guys reschedule the date, you're going to go somewhere that's close to the mall, okay? You guys are going to go somewhere that's in the mall, or you could straight up tell them that, okay, now you have to take me shopping. Since you didn't show up for your date, I really need some new shoes. I need a new dress. The handle on my purse just broke and I really need to get a new one. So ding 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 ding, trip to the mall. Okay, so once you guys get in the mall, go ahead and shop till you drop, honey. Swipe that Visa. That's really a great way to secure some shopping bags. Okay, if he's like far away, right, and he's like in a different city and he was gonna drive like an hour 30 minutes to see you, then those guys are going to be more likely to just cash app you some money. So ladies, if you are going to be a sugar baby, I'm gonna need y'all to get up on that cash app. If you ain't got it, okay, I'm gonna need y'all to get cash app, Venmo, PayPal, quick pay, get it all, because you never know which way you gonna get paid. Okay, make sure you have your cash app on deck so that they could go ahead and send you some money. Be like, look, I really made time for us. I really put this on my schedule for our day. You know, I really want to, you know, I thought you were a real person, but you lied to me. You know, pull out the L word. Say you lied. You lied, you lied, you lied to me. You lied. And then from there, they're going to feel really bad. And they're like, oh, well, I could just cash app you, you know, for the food. Or, you know, I feel really bad. Or when they start feeling really, really bad about what they just did to you, like they hurt your feelings, that's when you know you got them in the bag, and that's when you know you're about to get your bag. Okay, ladies, it's a hot girl summer. It's a city girl summer. I'm securing a bag, and I just got a deposit today and also a couple days ago as well from a different guy because they canceled on me. But you know, there's a cancellation fee, honey. This is not even manipulation, guys. This is just literally telling them straight up, that's not fair that you canceled on me. You know, I really put time aside for this date. And you know what? They're going to be more connected to you. Even though you went off on them and you showed them like a really ugly side of you, not even a really, it's like a fake ugly side of you, they're gonna feel really bonded with you when they're gonna be like, oh wow, she cares, you know, she cares. So they're gonna feel bonded with you, so the next time they see you, they're gonna want to do something for you. They're gonna want to step their game up. They're gonna want to be that guy in your life because they feel emotionally attached to you now. You know, it's kind of hard to create emotional attachment with someone that you've never seen before unless you give them something to be emotionally attached to. So if they cancel on your date, honey, you better break your foot off in their butt. Okay? Certain guys, give them the silent treatment. Other guys, yell at them. You need to know which type of guy you're dealing with. If someone cancels on you, please do not ghost them. Y'all, this is the easiest way to get paid. Y'all, you could really capitalize off of a canceled date. And when you use this is like a card that they're giving you, y'all. This is a game that we're playing, and when they cancel on this date, you have a card in your hand. This is a shopping card. You about to go shopping, honey. Either you about to go shopping or you about to get that cash app notification to your phone. Get the bag, get the bag, get the bag. Get the bag, get the bag, get that cash app, ayy, get that cash app, ayy, get that cash app, get that cash app notification to your phone. Make that don't wanna leave alone. Yeah, I'm so silly, but yeah, like I said, guys, ladies, that is the easiest way to get paid. Cancel dates are the easiest way to get paid before you even meet a sugar daddy. Before you even meet them, you could have money in your bank account before you even meet them. A lot of people try to say, how do you get money before you even meet them? Y'all, cancel dates are the way. I've gotten shopping spree, top cash app. Like, I've made mad money. You know, $50 here, $90 there, $200 here. It's good. It's good business, okay? It's money that I didn't have to work for. So, yes, ladies, that is a really good way to get money on a first date. How to get a shopping spree on a first date. It's whatever you want. Whether you want money, whether you want a shopping spree, you pick. It's your choice. I've made a man so emotionally invested in me within 3 days that he actually had another date, but he canceled on her in order to give me money. He canceled on her to give me money. So I feel as though if you're not a gold digger, you're wasting your time, because guys pay attention to women who are gold diggers. Like, guys give priority to women who know what they want, who are asking for money and want to be funded, okay? The only guys who really are not attracted to women like that are guys who can't afford it, okay? So if a guy curses you out, then honey, he wasn't about anything anyway, sweetie. I might title this How to Get Money on the First Date, or How to Get a Shopping Spree on the First Date. I don't know. But if this is what you want, baby, you gonna get what you want, okay? Period. On your first date, ladies, also wear a little raggedy purse. I know you guys want to wear your nice Michael Kors and your nice Guess and your nice Chanel, and you know, wear a raggedy purse so that when you do go shopping, that's the first thing that is going to make him spend. Like, it's great to be leveled up on your first date. Have your nice dress, have your nice makeup, but one thing, don't be all the way leveled up to capacity to where they can't even do anything for you. On the first date, wear a little raggedy purse, okay? Wear a little raggedy grandma purse that's not too ugly, but it's, you know, it still could be upgraded. And complain about your purse all the time. Be like, oh my God, this stupid purse, it doesn't want to zip up. Oh my God, it stays open and all my money falls out, and it's just, you know, all my cards on my license, my ID falls out, my passport falls out, and it's, I hate this purse so much. I wish I had a new one. Boom, you done got you a new Michael Kors purse, baby. You understand? You did. So yes, ladies, that is how you get things on the first date. Like, don't go there all the way level up. Like, I made a really big mistake the other day. I had a sugar daddy spend money on me. He gave me money before he met me because he canceled on the date. But I made him, when he showed up to the date, I made him spend money. That was cool. And then we went to the mall after. But I wore my really nice Guess purse. I brought my really nice Guess purse with me. And it's a really cute clutch. Let me show you guys. So I brought my really cute clutch purse with me, which that was a mistake. I should have brought my other purse with me. Let me show you guys. By the way, shout out to my sugar daddies for buying me this. It's so cute. I love this clutch. It's so cute, so chic, and I love it. But I brought this purse with me. Like, don't bring that purse with you, honey. Bring this purse with you. This is the purse that I should have brought, because if I would have brought this purse, he would have been more inclined to buy me that Michael Kors purse that I saw in the mall. Y'all, that purse was so freaking cute. It was so cute, but he didn't buy it to me. He didn't buy it for me because he's like, oh, your purse is really nice. Your purse, and I'm like, shut up. Buy me the fucking purse. But he didn't want to do it, so I was like, whatever. Y'all already know I ghosted him, because I'm like, if you tell me no, if your ass tell me no, then your ass get replaced. Period. Okay? I got time. But that was my mistake, because I should have brought my little raggedy purse. You know, I should have been like, oh my gosh, my purse doesn't want to zip up. It's such a stupid purse. All my credit cards keep falling out of there. And I had half a mind to do it, but I didn't. But y'all, ladies, that is how you finesse. And that is how you get the bag. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like my video, and see you guys on the next one. Bye.